Welcome to BKCS Academy. I hope you are doing great, my dear students. This is the very much important topic for in computer networking, that is IP addressing, which will be very much helpful for your different kinds of examinations like semester examinations. All computers on internet communication. All computers on internet communicate with each other with underground cables, surface cables, underwater cables, and wireless. Every computer or node must have an address so that other nodes can find and locate in the network. Network and internetwork. In order to deliver that particular file or web page which is requested. An IP address is an unique address that is used to identify computers or nodes on the internet. This address is a set of numbers expressed in certain format, that is, like one example is given here, 192.155.12.1, where this 192 is coming, how this 155 is coming, how 12 and how 1. These are the concept we will discuss. Here each number is 0 to 255. Each number ranged from 0 to 255. We are discussing about internet protocol addressing, that is IP addressing. Range and separated by dot. This is the dot. This is the dot separated by dot. Each number is ranged from 0 to 255 and separated by dot. We can say full IP address range will be 0.0.0.0 to 255.255.255.255. This is the total number of IP addresses. Consists of 4 sections. Each section is called as octet. Each section is called as octet, and each section consists of 8 bits. It is consisting of 8 bits. Parts of IP address, that is network part and local or host part. So type of IP addresses are, that is IPv4 and IPv6 are the two different kinds of IP addresses. So this is some diagram is here. These are the systems, users, and this is the internet service provider. This is the pool of IP addresses, from where it will pick one IP address to the and assign to the user. This is the concept of the IP addressing. IPv4, that means IP Internet Protocol version 4. It consists of 4 numbers separated by dots. Each number can be from 0 to 255 in decimal, as I had discussed just a minute before. Because of computer does not understand, so range will be like this: 000000, 8 times 0, 8 times 1. That means it is 0 to 255. Every number in IP address will be 8 bit. So whole IPv4 binary address can be of 32 bit. Because of each number is 8 bit, 4 numbers are there, so it is 32 bit. Total devices approximately in the world which will be assigned with a IP address is equal to 2 to the power 32, because of 32 bit data is there. So 2 to the power 32, it is 4294967296 can be assigned to 4.3 billion, that means 430 crores people or 430 crores nodes. One example is 189.123.10.90. It is the example. Total population in the world is, according to 2022, is equal to 800 crore. 800 crore. So there are 5 classes of IP addresses, that is A, B, C, D, E. So if we will assign 430 crore IP addresses to 800 crore people, so some of the people, and majority of the people are not using. That is why it is Till now, IPv4 version is very much applicable. Otherwise, for the future, it is planning for using IPv6, that is also designed. There are 5 classes of IP addresses, that is A, B, C, D, E. So, IP class A, range of address is 1 to 126 for government use, that is maximum number of network is 126. For B class, that is 128 to 191, medium companies 16348 networks. C class, it will be 192 to 223, small companies, that will be 2097152 networks can be possible. Then class D, that is 224239, that is for multitasking. Then class E, 242 to 254, future use and research. So class A, B, C are used by the user like us. Class D and E are special purpose. Every system has a server named as local server, for which 127.0.0.1 is reserved. So in every system there is a local server that is called as 127.0.0.1, that is reserved. Working principle is like this: your device directly requests ISP, which grant your device to access. An IP address is assigned to your device from given range of available. How much IP addresses are available, from that available range it will be assigned. Then your internet activity goes through the service provider. IP address changes when router becomes on and off, when you are out from the home location on DHCP restriction, and router becomes on and off when you are from the home location, then on DHCP restriction it will also change your IP given by the ISP always. What is the IP address? Check mobile, check what is your IP address of your mobile. That will be shown like this: IPv4 is like this, and IPv6 not detected. That means IPv6 is not implemented till now. IPv4 address will be responded displayed on your mobile when you will check the IP address of your mobile. Thank you.